Guys, I just wanted to share this with you real quick. I am trying to figure out what I am listening to here. It is a Flat Plane Corvette, and they talk about how it's got a bunch of different engine mods done to it, but I don't know, man. I don't know. Let's hear the thing. Doesn't sound bad. I'm not sure what that was. Tell me that didn't just sound like a Honda going into VTEC as it passed. Am I crazy? Am I the only one hearing this? Like, shouldn't this thing sound so much more incredible? It's obviously making a huge amount of power and revving to something that, I mean, the LS engines were never meant to rev to, but it just sounds so fart canny. I just can't quite get over it. That was V80. Very Honda sounding. Okay, that's got a little bit of like a Ferrari V8 sound to it. I'll grant you that. That was kind of, I don't know, like a 360 Modena kind of a sound, you know. Let's hear that again. That's better. It's better. But I'm going to continue going back to this right here. It sounds like a Honda going past you. I don't know. Let's hear what this other one sounds like. No, that's a Honda V6. I was just thinking maybe it's more like a Honda V6, but no. It sounds like a Honda 4-cylinder as it's coming at you and driving past you. Car friends, back me up here. I mean, individual throttle bodies, dry sump oil pump system. I mean, there's something there that is just, I don't know. It's got the weirdest sound to it. Okay, here we go. This is a K24 Honda Civic. Okay. And now, and again, am I totally insane? Does this Corvette not sound like a Honda to you? That's V80. That is so Honda-y. I can't get over it. Like, I want to love everything about a flat plane engine Corvette, but it just sounds like a K-Series Honda. All right, maybe I'm way off base. That's all I really wanted to talk about in this quick little video. It's just something that's driving me nuts. I've had a couple of different people listen to it, and they're like, I'm not picking up on it. But when I first listened to the video of that Flat Plane Corvette, that is all I could hear. So please, if you're watching this or if you're catching it on a replay, let me know in the comments. Tell me what you think. Is that what I'm hearing? You know what I'm saying? Like, is it just a little bit too four-cylinder Honda-y for my taste, or am I just being a hater? Let me know in the comments. I'm really curious to hear what you guys have to say. So let me know, and we'll talk again soon.